Hey, before you watch that video by Dr. Miles Monroe, I know you are searching for the kingdom message. This is why I started an online school based on the kingdom of God. And so my biggest challenge when I discovered the kingdom message was finding information on it, because I realized not many people preach it. I was looking for where are the rest of the preachers that preach this. Not many people really understand it. And we also have huge ministries all around the world, and they're missing the message. We also have schools all over the world, and they're missing the message. So I decided over the years, and I've been teaching the message of the kingdom for many years, and I have decided, since I couldn't find it myself, I have created an online kingdom school called Excel University. You should go to the link on this page right now and end your search. This is the fastest way. It's on demand. You can watch it, the courses, the master classes. We have mentorship calls every month, and we can connect live and in person, and it's going to change your life. Don't do what many people have done and just scatter yourself searching for different voices all over the world. Come and let myself, and then every month I also have a team of kingdom experts that I have to help me train you, mentor you, and reveal God's kingdom and the keys of the kingdom so that you can advance in life. Listen, the more you seek it, the easier life becomes, and you can become an influence. Click the link, go and sign up and enroll. You can do it month to month. You can pay for the whole year in advance. And this, guys, it's as cheap as anything could be. It's cheaper than your Starbucks every day. And it's going to advance you much further, much faster than anything you've ever done. I'll see you there.